Transaction advisor shall be responsible for assisting in all activities leading to and including successful closure of the project and the competitive bidding process for the project first. While a detailed scope of work has been spelled out in the present terms of reference, the transaction advisor shall also be responsible for providing assistance in activities not specifically mentioned in the terms of reference that are necessary for successful concluding the assignment. First, transaction advisor will appoint a team leader to assume overall responsibility of the project and to interface with CTG Faisalabad Project Steering Committee. The advisor will assist CDG Faisalabad in dealing with queries, issues related to the project. First, 5 hard copies and 1 soft copy of each draft document mentioned under deliverable will be submitted to the client. First, the client will offer its comments and recommendations. First, the transaction advisor shall incorporate these to the draft final documents. First, after incorporate of the client comments, the transaction advisor shall submit 5 hard copies and 1 soft copy of each of the final documents to the client. First, all documents shall be prepared in English and submitted on electronic media along with required number of hard copies. First, all the data, documents and reports produced by the transaction advisor for the said services shall be the property of the client. First, the transaction advisor shall not share and use any data, document and reports for any other purpose job without the explicit written approval of the client. First, the CTG Faisalabad will nominate 1 director projects and operations to liaison with the transaction advisor on all activities pertaining to this assignment. First, the director projects and operations will be responsible for providing of technical inputs and information to the advisor on the project. First, the director projects and operations will assist in securing appointments with government ministries and departments as may be required. First, the TA shall begin this assignment on signing of TA services agreement. First,